Hi. Today I am sharing a project about Model as a Service with you. Let me start with a brief background. The project aims to create a prediction service to determine whether a finished product is acceptable or not. This dataset contains metal casting products sourced from Kaggle, each labeled OK or defective depending on its finish. Create 3 convolutional neural network models using data augmentation techniques such as cutmix, mix-up, and augmix. The mix-up technique achieved the highest accuracy rate of 89%. Now let's look at the architecture. Develop CNN models implementing data augmentation techniques. Exposing the models as a REST API service using Fast API. Using Streamlit to create a prototype application for end user to classify the product. Infrastructure is deployed on Google Cloud. Cloud Run hosts the API and application as a Docker container. We'll now look at a demo. In the project homepage, there is background information on the project and a description of the data augmentation technique I used, as well as links to the modeling notebook. Visit the application link and log in using your credentials. Click the Predict tab. There are sample images for both categories along with a link to download test images. Following that, users can select a model along with an image to be predicted and upload it via the Browse Files option. On clicking Predict, the model correctly predicts the image as not defective with a confidence level of 96%. Our next step will be to use an image from the other category. This time the model correctly predicts the image as defective with a confidence level of 85%. On the Log tab, you can see the confusion matrix for the prediction batch run, which can be used to monitor model performance. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please leave a star on my GitHub repo.